So our friends at Star Micronics asked us to unbox the Star TSP143 SK. That's this guy. And I know what you're thinking. You're wondering, James, what does the SK stand for? But if you want to know that, you're going to have to stick around. Let's do it. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Cool image of Mount Fuji, per usual. Power cable, LAN cable, USB-C to USB-A cable. Looks like a couple of paper guides. Easy setup guide and safety instructions, and it looks like another paper guide. And of course, the printer itself. And there we have it. Oh, an interesting interface. I'm going to get cleaned up and we will get into some of the features and benefits of this cool new printer. Last we checked, the TSP143 SK is the market's smallest 3-inch desktop linerless sticky label printer. That's right, SK stands for sticky. At least I'm assuming it does. Star team, I'm sorry if I got that wrong. What's cool about sticky labels is that they're easy to reposition, which makes this printer ideal for use cases like QSRs and drive-thrus, cafes and delis, where online ordering and deliveries are common. Sticky labels are great. They can adhere to almost any surface, they can be removed without leaving a residue, and they reduce waste by eliminating the need for silicone liners. This printer was designed to print sticky labels, but it is also capable of printing on thermal paper. It'll take up minimal space on your customer's countertop, and it's got a built-in wall mount in case they want to forego the countertop completely. The TSP143 SK comes with 3 paper guides that you can slide into place inside of the printer to print at different paper sizes, including 40, 58, and 80 millimeters. TSP143 SK models are available that feature Android Open Accessory. If you don't know what that is, Android Open Accessory is a protocol that enables communication and power to flow between the TSP143 SK and your Android device. It has dual-band wireless connectivity, an internal power supply, and cloud print technology. Now, there was something I noticed about this printer when I took a look at it, and that is that the interface is identical to its predecessor. Why does that matter? That matters because if an ISV is already integrated with the previous generation, no additional integration is necessary to get these printers added to the product line. They can now offer removable sticky labels with no new engineering. That's pretty cool. In summary, the TSP143 SK is small, versatile, and easy to integrate. It's available now to ship from BlueStar, so reach out to your sales rep for pricing and availability information. I want to thank the team at Star for sending it to us. And with that said, I'm James, and this has been Unboxed.